Okay, no, because everyone was using this fucking sound, right? And I did it yesterday on 11/11 because I'm thinking, you know, I need fucking luck. I'm trying to get out of my toxic house. I need to move out. I just went to like this Polish store by my house where they have this Polish magazine where they give out like advertisements or like places for rent and stuff, right? And it's $1. I bought it. Let me know. Well, while I was walking back to my car, right? I'm thinking to myself, what the fuck, right? On the floor by my car, right? 20, 40, 60, 8, like I'm still shaking right now from this because I feel bad. But literally $80, right? And I go sit in my car, right? And I'm like, wow, that's like something, right? That's some real fucking luck. And then I look back over and I'm like, wait, is that another fucking 20? And I went back out. I waited for the cars to pass because it was like across the street. It was this. Use this fucking song and please, it's gotta fucking work because I have no luck whatsoever and that happened to me.
To this sound. Instead, I got my box blown out, and then he gave me a crystal.
Is this real